you down to a place near the river. You can hear the boat go by. You can spend the night forever, and you know that she is crazy, but that's why you want to be there. And she feels you tell the range to come all the way from China. Just when you need to tell her that you believe no love to give her, then get you on your woman, and she left the river over that you and you want to travel with her, and you want to travel blind, and you know that she will tell you, for you touch your blessed body with your mind. And Jesus was a sailor when he was upon the water. I spent a long time watching from your lonely wooden tower, and when he knew for certain only the only man could see him, he said, all men will be sailors, then until the sea should free them. But himself was broken long before the sky was open. Forsaken almost human, isn't beneath your wisdom like a stone. And you want to serve a widow, and you want to serve a blind, and you know that she will trust you, for you touch your perfect body with your mind. Now Suzanne take your hand, and she leads you to the river. She will run further from salvation and become her, and the sun poured down like honey, Our Lady of the Harbor. And she showed you where to look among the garbage and the flowers. There are heroes in the seaweed, there are children in the morning, there are many of for love, and they will in tower forever. Why Suzanne, oh where we roam? And you want to travel with her, and you want to travel blind, and you know that you can trust her, for she touch you